If you're seeing Lightroom error code 12015, don't worry. This is usually a network or Adobe server connection issue, and in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot the problem, get Lightroom connecting properly again, and make sure your Creative Cloud apps are updated so the error doesn't keep coming back. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. Since this error is often caused by a failed login, sync, or subscription check, the fastest thing to do is make sure your connection is stable. Open a browser and try loading a few websites. If pages are slow or not loading at all, restart your router or reconnect to your network. Next, switch your connection if possible. For example, try moving from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or from a hotspot back to Wi-Fi. This helps you test whether your main network is blocking Adobe services. Also, make sure you are not using a VPN or proxy. Adobe servers can sometimes fail to verify your account properly when those services are enabled, so temporarily turn them off and then reopen Lightroom to test again. If the error is still there, the next step is to sign out and sign back in. Open Adobe Creative Cloud, go to your profile icon, and choose Sign Out. After that, restart your PC completely. Once your computer is back on, open Creative Cloud again and sign in with the Adobe account linked to your Lightroom subscription. This refreshes your account session and often clears connection or authentication issues. If Lightroom still shows error code 12015, temporarily disable your Firewall or Antivirus software and test Lightroom again. Sometimes security software blocks Adobe from reaching its servers, even when your internet is working perfectly. Turn it off only long enough to check whether the issue is gone. If Lightroom opens normally after that, you'll want to whitelist Adobe apps in your Firewall or Antivirus settings so they can connect safely in the future. Finally, make sure both Lightroom and Adobe Creative Cloud are fully updated. Open Creative Cloud and check for updates, then install the latest version of Lightroom as well. Outdated software can cause login and sync problems, especially if Adobe has changed server-side requirements. Once everything is updated, restart Lightroom and test it one more time. In most cases, one of these steps will fix error code 12015 and get you back into Lightroom without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting videos, and leave a comment if you want help with another Lightroom error.